a specific term using the binomial theorem. So what you want to do first is you're going to go off of an equation, which is a plus b n equals nc term -1 times a minus n term -1 times b, and then term -1 again. So basically this is what you're going to go off of in order to solve this. So example 1. Let's go with third term of x plus 3 to the 12th power. So term -1 is going to be subtracted from 3. So it's going to be 3 minus -1, which equals 2. And I got the 3 from the third term. And now you're going to take the 12c2, and I got the 12 as the 12 exponent and the 2 from this. And now you're going to multiply it by x, and then take the exponent again and subtract it from 2. And then you're going to multiply by 3, which came from here. And so that's just what you're going to do for now. And then later on, once we find the term, we're going to plug it in right here and multiply it by by x to the 10th power, and then 9, because 3 times 3 equals 9. So yeah, but then we're going to come back to that. Alright, so now step 2 is to take the C12 again, and then use 12 factorial. This exclamation looking mark is a factorial. And then you're going to do 10 and then 2 factorial. And this 10 came from the 12 minus 2 from up here. And then now you're going to do 12 times 11 times 10 factorial divided by 10 factorial times 2 times 1, which then these two 10 factorials cancel out since they are the same, and now we are left with 12 times 11 over 2, which times 1, which equals just 2. And then since 2 can go into 12, you can also simplify this down to a 6, and then that will just turn into a 1. So now this turns into 6 times 11, which is 66. And now we're going to bring this all the way over here and plug it in. And so 66 times 9 is 594 x to the 10th power. And that is the answer. So now we want to do a second one, just so you guys can grasp the concept. So example 2. so let's try the fourth term of x minus 2 to the fifth power. Now, so now you're going to take that term 1, negative 1, and then you're going to subtract 4 by it, which equals 3. And then remember, we got the 4 from here. And now you're going to set up the same equation, which is c, but then plug in the different numbers that correspond with the equation. And then 5 minus 3 times 2 thirds. And then we're going to go back to this, like so. And so you're going to take the c5 thirds, and then 5 factorial, divide by 3 factorial, 2 factorial, then 5 times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 2 times 1. And then this reduces down to 5 times 4, because these cancel out, over 2 times 1. And then that reduces to 10. So you're going to bring the 10 back over here. And 8 times 10 equals 80. And then multiply that by x squared. And that is your answer.